The condition of your Toyota Sienna's trunk space says a lot about how you care for your vehicle. This heavy-duty deep tray cargo liner is custom made for your Toyota Sienna. Made of quality faux leather, this cargo liner will preserve your vehicle's cargo area and prolong its value. It is smartly designed and is tough as nails to handle the pressure of everyday use and heavy-duty tasks. The tray's surface features deep ridges and groove channels that trap dirt and spills, protecting your upholstery from nasty messes and stains. Plus, the underside features our signature FH Group anti-skid textured backing to keep your mat securely in place. Lightweight yet durable, this cargo mat allows for simple maintenance and is non-toxic, odorless, and waterproof. Just use a soapy sponge to get rid of messes and rinse with water. Protect your Toyota Sienna's trunk space from big messes and preserve the value of your vehicle with our faux leather deep tray cargo liner. Now available in 3 standard shades: beige, black, and gray.